Hi guys, it's Ayami. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is how to make teriyaki chicken. Some of you may already know, but I've made a teriyaki chicken video before, but I kinda didn't like it, so I decided to make it again. Hopefully this time this video is gonna be better. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, first I'm just gonna cut chickens into tiny pieces. And if you don't like fat, just take it out. Then I'm just gonna put all the chickens into the pan. This chicken has a lot of fat, so I'm not gonna use oil. Then cook them on medium heat. Then this is kind of point. Just cover them with a lid so that chicken's gonna be really tender. Sometimes mix them and make sure to cook all sides. I'm going to add some soy sauce and cooking sake, mirin and sugar. In my another teriyaki chicken video, I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar. But this time I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce instead of 1 tablespoon. Because actually I find out this is better. Oh, this is salt. Oh. Salt. I want to add sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Almost done. It's so easy, isn't it? Mix a little bit. Then I'm going to cover them with a lid again. Just cook them well until all the water liquid is gone. Once all the liquid became really thick like this, just take out the lid and then cook a little bit more until all the liquid is completely gone. Oh, smells so nice. It's done. So simple, so easy. ちょっと待ってね。Almost done ね。Here I got really nicely cooked rice. So I'm gonna put teriyaki chicken on top. Then, ta-da! Onsen Tamago, which is a half cooked raw egg. Japanese love Onsen Tamago. Then on top, shredded the seaweed. Ta-da! Teriyaki chicken with onsen tamago and seaweed. Itadakimasu. My husband is complaining how he doesn't like seaweed.
I don't dislike it. It's nice.
Tamago egg explosion. 美味しそう。いただきます。Oh my goodness. Please try this recipe. It's easy, simple, so delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.